morning, pineapples. So, RTK has finally started airing, and in classic Mnet fashion, they don't really want the fans to know that the show is being aired. So, any trace of it being online is just. So they did announce before that the first episode would be live streamed, but I watched Kingdom and I had a feeling episode 1 would just go off the internet, they would immediately delete it. So I did make a live reaction while it was live streaming
so that other Toon can also watch it.
But I'm a big dumbass. In basic terminologies, my mic
was directly layered on my computer audio.
So it sounds something like this. Now because of that, for this video, I'm mostly going to narrate everything so that, Two Moons get kind of accustomed also to what the actual show is, because I saw many of you all were still confused, and it's okay. No pressure that you actually need to know this. And it's also going to hide the fact that I am really stupid. So we begin with an emotional montage to make people think that, oh, these groups have really not achieved anything and this Mnet reality show is going to help them.
보통 아이돌들 실명부터 꺾이지 않나? 그 암묵적인 룰이 틀리다는 걸 보여주고
Using RTK clips, it will be mostly manipulation. Oh, look at them being so happy. That's going to last literally one episode. So as you can see, the setup is quite similar to the Road to Kingdom setup, only this time there's a leaders table,
which is going to be fantastic for one particular group.
So the cards which have been placed on the table right here,
these cards basically
are pre-evaluation cards. Before this even started, the groups themselves were ranking the competitors, thinking who would, win. Oh, this is diabolical. This is such a psychological play on Mnet's part, because it's basically telling your competitor that, oh, I don't think of you as competition, or in basic words, you suck.
So Gravity was ranked 2nd, TNX was ranked 4th, 8 Turn was ranked 5th, Tempest was ranked 6th, and Unite was ranked 7th.
Based on this, I genuinely, as a fan, I genuinely thought ONEUS would be placed 1. Aside from biases, again, the Sunvanium culture, the crew 1 was placed first. Also, basic info, crew 1 is basically just be an ad board in one.
1위입니다. 3위입니다. 네? 오늘 선배님 3위?
They were happy about it.
일등을 먹었을 것 같아. 재밌어. 1등 아니면 배드야, 얘들아. 높진 않네? 저는 기분 나빴어요.
But honestly speaking, right, my expectations of the rankings were pretty on point, aside from the crew 1 and ONEUS.
평가전 예상 순위 4등입니다.
Also, I just gotta say, 8 Turn reminded me so much of Road to Kingdom Season 1 ONEUS, being respectful and all like that. So already I was kind of biased towards 8 Turn.
초콜릿인데?
뭐야?
And then slowly, all the groups started coming in.
안녕하세요. 진짜 귀엽다. 안녕하세요.
Oh my god, they are like the SF9 of their generation.
오, 이쁘다.
Oh my god. He's going to be the genius of this.
독보적이야.
Everyone wants to date him.
독보적이죠.
And of course, ONEUS had to be placed last, because I don't know how I didn't manage to put this in my, theory video. But basically, Mnet will always have that one group which is old or the biggest competition. It's like Sob Story. Like Boys Planet, it was Hui. In Girls Planet, it was the CLC member, but I forgot her name. In Kingdom, it was B2B. Nice to meet you. All the groups have come. Entered the ace of Ace himself. They should have just made the prize Taemin, or a date with Taemin, because that's where you would see true bloodshed. Also, I love how this introverted ace of Ace was put amongst these groups, and he was just so quiet. This is the true Taemin. Okay, I'm not a Shavol, right? But Kim Ki-bum is my spirit animal. So I watch Shiny Edit. That's the only credential I have. But I know everyone can agree with me when I say that that was the true Taemin coming out. So alongside the pre-evaluation ranking, the pre-voting ranking was also revealed. Gravity was a big competition for Two Moons, even on Twitter. Two Moons, we did great. We can do much better. Let's do this. So in Ace of Ace, the reason why it's called Ace of Ace is because there are two parts, the team and an ace. For every round, a new ace will be chosen from the group. A team performance will happen and the ace performance will happen. At least for this episode, the ace performance happened first. So there are many things banking on the ace. So this is the basic of it. I assume with each episode, the rules will change a little, and this is huge and major foreshadowing. So Bhanwoong was the first ace to perform, and honestly speaking, like the way Mnet did the camera work, or I was not paying attention. I don't know, my ADHD mind was just probably running around. But I genuinely thought, but when I was rewatching it, while get your camera work on point, the amount of body control that you need to have for that. For the other teams, I'm just going to do a speed run of my thoughts. 8turn. I loved how effortless he made certain movements pleasing to watch. The crew one, the delicateness of the concept, it was really kind of hidden by the kind of hard choreo. It wasn't gelling well. Then Tempest. I'm a sucker for soft, traditional, angst concepts. So you already got me. I personally liked it. TNX. Good choice of doing vocals, and you could hear the pain in his voice. Unite. I liked it. I liked the hype. I liked the flow. It was good. And Gravity, I kind of liked it. But there were parts where he in the movements, there was a certain lack of crispness. And I kind of agree with it ending being kind of anticlimactic. I'm not bandwagoning. I genuinely thought. But I still kind of liked it. And the aces, they would be immediately evaluated by self-evaluation, as in the teams would vote they felt was the best. And the rule for this ace performance was that whichever ace ranked last, their group would not get to perform. That's what we were told. I don't know how they managed to think of these things, because can you imagine the pressure that comes on the ace just because you ranked low? Your entire group has to suffer. So the amount of pressure that is sitting on your head because of that. So the winning aces were actually, it was a tie between Imjimin from the crew 1 and Bhanwoong from ONEUS. A revote was done amongst the groups, and Bhanwoong won by a 4:1 ratio. So I'm really sorry, Bhanwoong, for ever doubting you. And now we're going to speedrun the performance thoughts. The new 6. I felt there was a certain factor missing. It was a lasting impact that, I witnessed this performance was not coming. The crew 1. It's a little difficult topic to approach for the crew 1 because it looked like a street man fighter performance. But if you are coming for Road to Kingdom, there's a certain cohesiveness and color or vibe of a group which the crew 1 was not able to put out. There was a concept also, yet it looked so gimmicky. You can't even blame them, right? Because they are a newly formed group. Then 8turn. 8turn is actually my favorite performance. You could see the team spirit, and it was energetic. It was something different, and it showed the color of the group. Unite. My biggest complaint was the trophy that was there. It should have been in a actual glass cabinet which they break and take out. It would have caused so much more of an impact. Also, another thing was the harmonization. I could hear everyone's individual, or at least one person's individual voice coming out a little too much. Then Tempest. I freaking loved it, man. Okay, because it reminded me of Be Mine, and in general also, I really like Tempest songs, whichever songs I've heard. But it's so great to see that a boy group doing this concept. While they were doing that light stand move, and it's one of them was on the light stand also, and they had to pull it down. How you handle it has to be so good so that you don't get injured, and literally then he got injured. And it's I hope you're doing well, because you really gave a great performance. It was my second favorite performance, hands down. Which comes to ONEUS, my third favorite performance. I'm biased as frick. As a not biased person, it was very theatrical. It did have that impact, but again, they are a more experienced group. Of course, it's going to have an impact. So Gravity came last in the ace performance. Because of that, they could not perform their group performance. Allegedly, they could perform their group performance just in the live stream because it's there on YouTube. I really don't know why this was done. Yes! My top 3 the performances that I wanted. Let's go. Now, abruptly going to 3 editing choices that I hated, because this is in the end an M-Snake show. Number 1, that Tempest member who got injured. It's a very serious issue. They tried to remove it from your mind by placing a funny clip of moving camera and the groups being very intrigued by it. Number 2, adding this clip after Gravity's Ace's performance to invoke a negative feeling, so that even you think that the ace did bad. And number 3, putting ONEUS's mistakes, I acknowledge they were mistakes, to make you think that they deserve rank 3. putting Adbo and Just Be, I think, might have been a hasty decision, because in the beginning, even I was thinking that it was a great decision. And with the pre-evaluation rankings coming out, I thought I was on the right path. But seeing the performances, right? Shows like Road to Kingdom, they are meant to show the color of the group. They are meant to show potential fans that, hey, this is what you can stand. For example, I'm of 2 Moon, right? But when I saw the performances of 8 Turn and the personalities also of 8 Turn, I really moved towards them, got interested in them. It was a very risky choice because the individuality of these groups is dissolved. You don't know Just Be, you don't know Adbo. So I'm not too sure if it was a great decision from the company, both the companies' parts. But again, let's see how it goes. Maybe they can turn things around, because the way the Road to Kingdom season 2 is functioning, right? It's a lot of let's see how these things turn around. So yeah, let's see how M Snake further devolves us into madness and gives us more PTSD. See, in the end, right, as much as RBVV and M Snake is giving them that narrative that, oh, they are, they're not achieved much, which we have. I feel, right, they're just getting experience from this. They are happy with their fans, in my opinion. And that's all I could ever ask for. If you like someone screaming in your face, vote for one of us. Then do subscribe for more. If you have any doubts, any queries about votings or where to watch, I try to reply as soon as possible. Or you can always leave a comment, leave a DM on my Instagram or _YT, and I see y'all next reaction. Ciao.